Hi, second graders. Today we're going to listen to a story from Knowledge 2 Lesson 5 called The Blind Men and the Elephant. Our first vocabulary word for this lesson is the word bawl. Repeat after me, bawl. Bawl means to cry out loudly. Our next vocabulary word is observation. Say observation. Observation is the act of paying close attention to or studying something. And our last vocabulary word is resembles. Say resembles. Resembles means to look alike or to be similar to something. Today you're going to listen to another work of fiction set in India, but this time the story is in the form of a poem. A poem often has a different rhythm or speech pattern than the way people usually speak or write. This poem is based on an old fable from India, and one of our characters is an elephant. In our poem, we are going to see that there are 6 blind men who have never seen an elephant before. Because they are blind, they are trying to discover what the elephant is like without being able to see it. It was 6 men of Hindustan, to learning much inclined, who went to see the elephant, though all of them were blind, that each by observation might satisfy his mind. The first approached the elephant, again, and happening to fall against his broad and sturdy side, at once began to bawl. Bless me, it seems the elephant is very like a wall. The second, feeling of his test, cried, Ho, what have we here? So very round and smooth and sharp? To me 'tis mighty clear. This wonder of an elephant is very like a spear. The third approached the animal, and happening to take the squirming trunk within his hands, then boldly up and spake. I see, quoth he, the elephant is very like a snake. The fourth stretched out his eager hand, and felt above the knee. What most this mighty beast is mighty plain, quoth he. 'Tis clear enough the elephant is very like a tree. The fifth, who chanced to touch the ear, said, Even the blindest man can tell that this resembles most. Deny the fact who can, this marvel of an elephant is very like a fan. The sixth no sooner had begun about the beast to grope, than seizing on the swinging tail that fell within his scope. I see, cried he, the elephant is very like a rope. And so these men of Hindustan disputed or argued loud and long, each of his own opinion, exceeding stiff and strong, though each was partly in the right, and all were in the wrong.